Hey, what's up guys? So I'm here for the car wash. You can see it's a Halloween time, so you can see all kind of decoration here. Here we go. In a second we're gonna start entering into the car wash. You can see the car wash is always a fun. It is about like a few minute ride through, and it is a fun part. You will see the thing will start begin now. Hope you can hear me. Here we go with all the foams and all the brushes. You can see pretty much you don't see sometimes much from inside. You can see the car is started kind of washing. You get all the foams, all the soaps, all the chemical mix, cleaning agent. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. So now all the brushes are cleaning up. And then once it is cleaning up, we can start seeing all the water rain of the warm water, washing off all the soap from the car, and this is all fun part. There you go. Yeah. Now you can see. Now it started wiping off. Once you start wiping off, you will see. So at the back as well. There you go. We are about to kind of start on the exit zone. You can see this is a fun part to see. There you go. We are exiting. All the water started spraying up, washing all the remaining shop. And now you can see, oh, there you go, the final wash is ready to go. And now you can see all the airs, the warm air started flowing through. It is basically drying off the car. Yeah, we are kind of going towards the exit. It's pretty fun. Oh, here you go, little Halloween things they have over here as well. Ooh, there you go. And then